Myself Swati Mehta. Basically, lastly, I was working with ICICI Lombard as a branch service manager. Now, recently, I have started up my own brokership business, having all the companies, insurance companies, GI mainly. And in my family, I have an husband. He is a chemist plus event manager, and having two kids. Basically, I left my job due to my family conditions. I got married and I got pregnant, so my conditions didn't allow me to continue my job as it was a hectic job. After a long gap, I again started with the influence of my husband. He provoked me to have your own something you do it on your own. So he was my inspiration to encourage me. As I finished up my post graduation, there was nothing in my mind ki what I had to do. Just I started with my friend. He said ki just start an dealership with a broking house. जस्ट हंसी मजाक में जो बचपने वाली बातें होती है, आई स्टार्टेड विद अ ब्रोकरशिप. लॉन्ग एंड लॉन्ग 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 इट गेन इन टू माई करियर. आई क्लियर्ड मेनी एग्जामिनेशन इन दैट फील्ड. फिर आई गॉट एन very big chance to be an branch manager, branch operations manager, ICICI Lombard. That was a great opportunity for me. I learned lot and lots of things at that designation, and it was a very challenging job for me to be a branch operations manager from a dealership at a broking house. Basically, you must have a confidence in yourself कि you can do each and everything. कोई भी चीज़ आपको पुश नहीं कर सकती है कि आप में ये कमी है, यू कांट डू. जो भी ये बोलता है कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू, यू हैव टू चैलेंज योर सेल्फ एंड यू हैव टू शो हिम और हर कि नथिंग इज लाइक इम्पॉसिबल इज देयर. एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल इफ वी वांट टू डू. वी हैव एन path to go. Challenges are everywhere. As we have started initially, there were many challenges because it is a competitive market. We had sometimes we had been there कि आपके पहले भी हमारे पास 10 लोग आके गए हैं, the same things, all the things are same, why do we need to change. आप services तो provide कर रहे हैं, we are satisfied with the last company also, they are also providing us the good services, so why should we need to change. But the only thing we gave them was that to achieve their business was a thing that the after sales services, which some things the last company has denied them, they were unsatisfied. I can say कि वहाँ पे गलत बोला गया था and they haven't proved themselves at that time. They faced many problems. First time they said no, second time they said no, and the third time when we approached them, they were happily calling us कि नहीं अब आप आइए and provide us your services. The main sacrifice I would say कि after a long gap when I started my own from last 10 months, basically my children are suffering more because हजल पजल करके स्टार्टअप करके फिनिश अप करके कि घर से निकलना है, फिर होल डे दे आर अलोन waiting for their mama and papa कि they would be at evening, and if in evening also we have certain calls, so they are like that कि you are whole day busy with your calls only and you don't have time for us. So that time when they question us कि मम्मा आपको हमारे लिए टाइम नहीं है क्या, तो we don't have any answers and उसके लिए हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन भी नहीं होता है कि हम उनको आंसर क्या करें, कि हम अपना जॉब प्रोफाइल छोड़ दें या उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करें. तो वो बड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि उस चीज़ को हम लोग कैसे मैनेज करें. दिस जर्नी वॉज एट ICICI Lombard. I learnt a lot of things there. And from there only I inspired myself कि I can be something better than this thing. Basically we are handling in marine insurance, GMC, GPA, and travel insurance, all the health products we are having, or motor part, fire insurance, building insurance, work compensation. First of all, you should have a knowledge. If people are inspiring for insurance, you should have knowledge of each and every product, plus the main points which all the peoples are not knowing, the main clauses. You should know each and every clause, a छोटा सा भी एक पॉइंट कस्टमर कैन आस्क यू whenever, if you are not having a knowledge, customer can question you at any moment, at any time. So you must have each and every part, and all the comparison you must know from each and every company, ki why you are offering lower price and why they are offering the higher prices. You must have a comparison in your mind. My upbringing was, as my father was posted in Khetri Copper, Jhunjhunu district. I have been brought up and born there only, and my schooling was from Sophia Secondary School. So lots and lots of memories are there, because basically nuns school, it was a full disciplined school, and I was given a title in my school days, talking Tom. So it was a great all the teachers were there, and two of us the friends were chattering continuously. The principal was in the room, and two teachers were also there. So we were honored by a title, Talking Birds. It's a hectic job, I can say. So Sunday is only and only for my family and my kids. So we enjoying together, having lunch and together dinner together, and go for outings on Sundays. Basically, I didn't thought when I was in college or कि मेरा आगे, I was a very normal girl, कि ठीक है स्टडीज पूरी होंगी और पापा मम्मा शादी कर देंगे and I have to settle out with my life only. But as in career, my papa provoked me कि you have to, as you are free, to just go and see outside world. You will learn something. So I started with a broking house, and today I am here. So nothing was like that कि I wanted to become like something, or I wanted to have something, but I am quite satisfied with my life. Lastly, I would be ending with a poem by Harivansh Rai Bachchan. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती. असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रही देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक न मिले सफलता, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. If you like my this story, just follow me and like me. If some of you people might be having this kind of story, so just share it on this platform. You get a better chance to prove yourself. That's it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.